girls. We made it out here to Poconos Raceway for the RSD finale, Ready, Set, Drift. Came out here last night and I took the GS and unfortunately had a breakdown. Something I need to fix today, but not worried about it right now. Today's about filming and hanging out with all the boys. Corey is here today. Very excited because he actually hasn't, I don't think he's drifted any drift events this year. Kind of just like a clean car now. Like, look at the KFs, dog. Beautiful. And last year he had it all messed up.
So light.
Hi, Corey.
Yeah.
Look, no more damage. Such a pretty car. Yeah, plenty of boys out here today. I wanted to say a big thank you to Mr. VQ Media for picking me up last night. He's the man, because honestly without him I've been sleeping on the side of a highway. So thank you, bro. I appreciate you. Me and him are gonna do some 6 shots today and just enjoy the event. The turnout is 10 times as good as last year, because if you remember last year's event, it rained here like as soon as we got here and no one showed up, but there are cars everywhere. I mean everywhere. Look at that S550 over there. Oh, I'm shooting in 4K. Gotta say, the variety of cars is pretty nuts. There's all sorts of shit here at Ready, Set, Drift. We're gonna take a ride with Kevin. Kevin, what's the setup in your car?
It's S14 2JZ, about 600 horsepower.
Oh, I wasn't aware of that much horsepower, but sick.
Alright, you're good.
Oh man. Damn, it's very fast.
Yeah, it's stupid fast.
Yeah, it's set up pretty smooth right now though. It doesn't feel like there's, I mean obviously 600 horsepower is gonna take a lot of grip out of your tire, but
It's very easy to drive.
yeah, it's comfy. That's how mine's set up. I got a 14 Mustang with an FDF kit, and I set up, it's way softer than this.
Yeah.
It's nuts, man. I appreciate the ride
Yeah,
along.
man, anytime. It's all about the balance. Get the balance down and the car will drive itself.
Amen. sick. The drift event's awesome. Very happy with it so far. It's kind of been a little today because I gotta fix my car. Like, I'm literally broken down out here, so not sure how much more I can record because I do need to go get that done, unfortunately. But I'm gonna keep trying to make good content. Fucking sick out here. Got all the boys and girls out here today. We're having a good ass time. Oh, damn it, you tricked me. I thought it was Corey.
Dude,
this dude's rear bumper is completely off. And I was like, hey, you know your bumper's off, right? It's like, yep. Dude. So many Z's.
Z Central. What's the thing? Z Society?
Yeah, this is a Z society out here. Society, I think.
Sounds like a
This
rotary.
thing is sick. What are you saying it is? Rotary?
VA and rotary. I can't tell.
I'm thinking beams.
It's got a loop.
Excuse me. What engine's in your car?
4A.
Awesome. It sounds sick. Thank you. 4AGE. 4-cylinder. What? Yeah. Yeah. It was a 4-cylinder.
4-cylinder, dude. This sounds like a V8.
I think it's got big cams in it or something.
Dude, it's got to.
Fresh BRZ out here drifting. GR86 actually. I apologize. Hopefully I didn't offend him.
Dude,
Corey's going up on the other course. What? Huh?
Things on the dash bar.
Oh, the little doodles. Click third. He's getting it. That thing looks so good drifting, bro.
Link the course for a shot.
Dude, check out this FD. That's sick. Whew. This thing's killer. FDF Hydro. Energy matching wheel. Very interesting. How do you feel about it?
I like the color. And I'll hit him with the breaker one more.
Got your tire. Check that tire pressure, boy. What's she at? 33.5. 33.5. You need about 20. You need about 20. Beautiful R33. Super sick. Oh my god. Look at this Land Cruiser too. This thing is nuts. Probably a tank, but like.
Show me that camera. You want to die?
Ain't this thing looking good? Damn, the fitment is real on this. Nice. Very clean chaser. It's like a good luck ever getting one nowadays, man. They're just hard to come by. And they're so expensive now. I really like this thing. It gives me an idea of what the GS can be once it's fucking running again. These are 19s too. Man, maybe I should run 19s. I like 18s on these cars, but 19s don't look too bad. I don't know. You having fun?
Can't fucking see yet.
There you go. Now can you see?
Having a great time.
Your car looks beautiful with these wheels.
Thanks, sir. Much better.
Much better. Look at that, man. like this is just like what a modern day 2022 240 would look like. Like mismatched panels, but really good wheels. Love the SKFs. I'd run them on the Mustang, but I just feel like they'd look like bullet wheels on a Mustang. And these are so cool, man. The Subaru drift cars. Oh my gosh. So sick. Likewise, shift knob. Nice touch. Really big fan of these. I would never own one. I owned a WRX and it was shit, but they are a cool ass drift car. Hayes 240. I believe this is the one that was hit. All fixed back up with a pig nose front end. Woo! Nice. Nuts. So cool. 1J. TEs. Buddy Club. Oh man, it's set up right. The turn down I'm becoming a pretty big fan of. I don't know why, but like something about it is like just fucking cool. Like look at this. This car right here. Look at that. For example, another turn down car. Just looks sick. I don't know if the Mustang could pull one off though. I don't think so. Hard parked. This is the one that has PlayStation 2 in the back of it. Check this thing out. SR20. 6 swap, man. Super unique. I love it. What's the setup for this car?
Engine wise, it's just a V6.
Oh, it's a 3.8 NA?
V6. Built motor though.
Okay.
So eventually I want to turbo this thing over the winter time.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. I had the 2.0 in this, but
yeah, I remember it when it was 2.0 a couple years ago. You were out here.
Yeah. So
how do you like the power from the 3.8 compared to 2.0?
Yeah, a little less power on this thing, less torque.
Huh. Because you could turn up the 2.0 more?
Yeah.
Okay.
The one that I was using, I was able to do third gear the entire time.
Yeah, I guess a turbo is what is needed next.
I'm gonna do it over the winter time.
Awesome.
I'm just dialing in the suspension and everything this year, and next year hopefully more power.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah, man. That was sick. Yeah, man, I can't complain at all. I've never been in a Genesis drift car either, I don't think. Yeah. Not many of them out there. They just, not many people are drifting them yet.
I'm very one of the few that actually attends these events.
Finally scored a ride in this badass E36. Honestly, nuts setup, man. Very excited. Holy shit, bro. That's awesome. That is so awesome. Wow. How much horsepower is this thing making?
Right now about 800-ish.
Damn, I was off. I said it was only making 6. It is making 800 horsepower. What's the engine setup? S52, fully built. Wow. What's the transmission on it? That's red. Dude, it's a sick ride, man. Keep shredding out there. That was a lot, bro. That was a lot of fucking horsepower. My God. Thank you guys so much for watching. Ready Set Drift is a sick event, and I wish I could drive out here. I just need a trailer. So if we could get 100,000 likes on this video so I can hit 100,000 subscribers so I can buy an enclosed trailer, that'd be really nice.
I don't think that's how it works.
You don't think that's how it works? I think it is how it works.
Well,
so
we're gonna find
we
out.
got some new rules around here.
I think I'm the YouTube professional.
But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Take it easy.
Tits.
I was running out of time,